Okay, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here and we are back again for another food vlog. Mag-food vlog tayo ngayon at we are here sa Manila Prince Hotel in Manila at we're going to try their cafe na kumbaga merong ino-offer na buffet for only 899 pesos. You can eat unlimited food for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So ngayon, dinner time na at 6 p.m. So we're going to try their buffet na may price ng 899 dito sa Marcelino Street Cafe in Manila Prince Hotel. So pasok tayo ngayon, bigyan ko kayo ng walkthrough tour at let's check out the food. Sobrang daming pagkain, grabe. It's my first time here kasi dati nakakain tayo sa Dragon Court at this time sa Marcelino Street Cafe naman in Manila Prince Hotel. Okay, let's do this. Pasok ka tayo sa restaurant. Alright, so this is the entrance to the Marcelino Street Cafe. Hello. And also there's a dress code here. No gym, outwear, swimwear. Kailangan, hindi naka-sleeper, so kailangan maayos, presentable katulad ng suot ko. Naka-jacket pa. So, breakfast information, yung sa mga naka-check-in yan. But for dinner time here sa Marcelino Street Cafe, it's 6 p.m. starting. With the starting rate of 899 pesos. At this is their extended dining area. As you can see here, super lawak na, no? Kasi dati wala to eh. Parang last year I was here, wala pa to. It's part of the lobby ngayon, extended nila, and they're expanding to give a very good buffet service for everyone. So ito part din to, no? Meron pang pagkain sa loob, but I want to show you first itong first lane na ito para at least complete tour tayo. After natin pumasok sa loob, kakain na tayo ng buffet dito sa Marcelino Street Cafe in Manila Prince Hotel. So, I can see here si Jeremy of What's Up PH. Kakain na. Ayan. Go lang. Wala si Ted. Ayaw kumain dito. So first of all, they have here the kimchi soup. Uy, para tayong gumawa ng kimchi jjigae here. And they have here a steamed rice. At dito naman yung japchae nila. That's the japchae. Nice. Sige, kuha ka lang. That's the japchae. And they have here a siwu bokyum. Ayan. Mga Korean K-pop fans o K-drama, alam na alam nyo. Grilled chicken. You have grilled chicken here. Edit yung kanilang kimchi. Assorted Korean salad. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga yan. Ayan. At sa kabila naman, it's their Japanese side. This is their sashimi, tempura maki. Ayan, tempura maki. Wow, sarap na to. And futomaki. Ayan. At meron sila dito mga sashimi, tanige. Sashimi, it's very different, no? Sarap din yan. At lapu-lapu na sashimi. So dito wala ka makikitang salmon or tuna, but yung mga alternative na seafood as their sashimi. Masarap din yan. Pag may mga seafood sustainability season, ito yung in-offer ng mga hotel. So dito, available din siya. And this is the crab stick maki. Ayan. California maki. Ayan. Ito yung mga wasabi. Ayan. Tsaka yung mga soy sauce. Walang tempura, no? Sa loob yung tempura. Sige, check natin yan. And here's the, they have the seaweed. Diba yung seaweed nila, oh? And here's the crazy maki. Wow. Canny salad. Ayan. So this is the Japanese section at Korean. At sa kabilang side naman is yung mga salad area. No? This is the crostini with tuna mayo. Deviled egg. Bakit deviled egg? Deviled egg. Deli ham. Wow, sarap nito. At MH Cold Cuts. Manila Hotel Cold Cuts ba? Kaya MH. So kasi ang Manila Prince Hotel kasi same owner siya ng Manila Hotel. So they share some similarities din sa mga pagkain. Here's the paggawa ng salad. Ayan. At they have the seafood on ice, mussel and shrimp. Pwede to eat na rin din itong mga to. Ayan. So, maglagay na kayo ng soy sauce. Pwede rin. They have here a Thai glass noodle salad with shrimp. Nangangamoy. Uy, coleslaw. Oh, grabe. Sandok-sandok na at macaroni salad. Oh my God, sandok-sandok na tayo dito. Okay, this naman yung para sa mga dessert. So they have here a cathedral gelatin. mango panna cotta. Sarap. Paborito ni Ashton. Graham cheesecake, paborito ni Lace, at Filipino fruit salad. At may mango sago. Grabe, gusto kong tikman lahat to. Our favorites are here sa kanilang cold desserts. At dito si Chef naman. Hello Chef. Kanilang mga waffles. Oh my God, check it out. So, waffles, and they have mga syrup, strawberry chocolate, peanut butter. Wow, grabe. At ginataang bilo-bilo. Uy, pang merienda na to. Check natin. Oh, may gulay. Panalo. Bagay ito pagkakain kayo na may kasamang kape. And, oh, grabe. Meron silang kakanin. Ayan. If you want to explore Filipino food, punta kayo dito. Apple crumble. Ayan. May fruit cake. Oh, may fruit cake. Kahit hindi Christmas, there's fruit cake for everybody. At this one is round cake with strawberry jam. Masarap to, para siyang chiffon cake na na may strawberry. Ganda ng concept mo. Tikman natin mamaya yan. Ito, nire-recommend to ni Vance yung warm bread pudding. Ayan. At sa mga chikiting, sa mga kids, they have here a chocolate fountain. Ayan. You can create your own chocolate fountain. Grab some fruits, tapos lagay nyo yung chocolate niyo. Ayan. Kuha kayong chocolate dyan. Add some sprinkles at mini marshmallows. Pwede rin yan dito sa mga apple crumble. Pwede rin yan. Lagyan nyo ng chocolate. They have here broken chocolate slab. Sabi ni Vance, masarap daw to. Itong chocolate na yan, dark chocolate na yan, na may Rice Krispies. Try natin mamaya. They have here banana bread. Ayan. Mga small bites. At ayan, meron sila itong mini merengue, peanut butter cookies, oatmeal raisins cookies. Recommended din yan. Chocolate chip at broas. Oh my God, first time ko makakita ng broas sa buffet. This is so kumbaga unique browas Nilaw lang natin ng browas sa buffet, ino-offer nila dito. That's the first time ito yung mga prutas nila. Ayan, watermelon, pineapple na paborito ko, at grapes, which you can add pour hot chocolate para sa inyong dessert. And also they have here hard roll buns. So that's it. Ito yung kanilang buffet sa labas ng cafe. And we are now going inside sa Cafe Marcelino. At yung mga kasamahan ko ay kumakain na. But for me, walk-through pa tayo. Although yung 899 pesos, kasama na rin din doon yung drinks na mga orange juice at iced teas. But soft drinks, mga beer or alcohol at hot chocolate, hindi kasama. You have to pay for a separate bill. But okay na yung iced tea tsaka mga juices nila. Healthy naman So yun. Tsaka mga coffee, hindi rin kasama. Ay, coffee din pala kasama din pala doon sa 899. Kaya sulit yung 899 buffet ninyo dito sa Marcelino Street Cafe sa Manila Prince Hotel. And we are now inside the cafe restaurant. Also, may mga tinapay din sila dito na for sale na pag dumating ng 4 p.m., this 95 pesos, magiging 50% off na rin yan. Actually, yung isang tinapay na kinain ko kanina, yung Hawaiian bread, naubos na. So mamaya pag may natira pa, apakyawin na natin yan para may pasalubong tayo sa bahay. Okay, let's go inside na sa buffet. They have here a pineapple fried rice. Ang mga paborito kong pineapple. They have a pumpkin soup. Ayan. Pansit Canton. Uy, sarap na itong pansit Canton na to. They have here beef ampalaya. All Filipino favorite to. Steamed chicken with black mushroom. Ayan. At ito naman yung kanilang polong chai. They call it the polong chai dumpling. And here we go. Nakukuha na yung iba. Ayan. They have the fried wonton. So nakita nyo, the buffet is walang harang, walang taga-kuha. So ikaw talaga kukuha ng pagkain nyo dito. So, eat all you can talaga. Pero syempre, you need to be responsible. Huwag kayong gumawa ng food waste. Kumuha lang kayo ng pagkain na kung saan kaya nyong ubusin. Okay, so this is braised beef. Braised beef. You have a pork menudo. Yung mga paborito natin sa bahay, mga home-cooked meal. Chicken with honey lemon, masarap to Wala try this. Shrimp with sweet and chili. Oh, by the way, sa tapat natin yung swimming pool nila, kitang-kita dito. Oh, diba? So, may white rice. Actually, hindi ko pa alam kung simulan ko. Pero I want to try the Indians. They have here an Indian section. Oh my God, check it out. So, they have hummus, unlimited hummus. They have the yummy paratha. Papadam. Ay, masarap din itong papadam. Ano ba yan? Tandoori chicken. Nice. At may siyang binki sabzi. Ayan, tawag nila dyan sa mga gulay-gulay. At Balinese fish curry. Wow. Bango, grabe. And here, dal makni. Hindi ko maalala kung paano kinakain to. Tinapay yata eh. So this is their Indian and Mediterranean section. At sa likod ko is their bar. So you can all get your iced tea, coffee, or juices. You can order it. Ayan. Nandun kanilang machine, no? Ito naman. Hello! Dito naman tayo. Ito kanina, sabi ko, saan yung tempura? Dito nga pala yung tempura nila. They call it parang street food section. Ayan. Street food, syempre pa, dyan yung tokneneng, o kwek-kwek, squid balls, chicken ball at kikiam para sa mga kids, french fries. At ito na yung may okoy, eggplant tempura, ito yung tempura, ebi tempura at kamote tempura, lumpiang Shanghai at pork katsu. Mga paborito ni Ashton to. At also yung mga manong sauce nila, meron yan dito. Ayan. Street food style, meron din sila. At here sa kabilang side is their make your own Vietnamese pho noodle soup. So you can grab your own noodles and also yung mga ingredients na yan, kayo ang gagawa na yan. At meron silang sabaw dito for your pho noodles. And they have din nasi goreng na napakasarap. Check it out, yo. Nasi goreng. Ayan. Grabe, no? International buffet sila dito, no? At here, ito kanilang yung mga karne, no? Carving station. They have here the yummy roast beef. Oh my God. And also the lechon belly. Very, very sinful, nakakainganyo na siyempre kaya have their lechon sauce. At here is, finally, the last section is their pasta. Ayan, so ikaw na lang gagawa ng ano bang toppings mo or kinds of noodles na pwede mong ipaluto. They have bolognese, carbonara, tomato sauce. So, bahala ka na kung ano yung pinakagusto mong setup dyan. Pero syempre for me, carbonara at bolognese. Ayun, chef. Alright, so tapos na tayo. And let's eat at kain na tayo, no? Chef ko na yung camera ko sa harapan ko. So, for 899 pesos, saan ka pa? Starting at 6 p.m., dinner time, every day here sa Manila Prince Hotel in Marcelino Street Cafe. So, super sulit siya, no? Yun naman sabi ko talaga. At very excited na. Ano ba yung mga kinuha nilang pagkain? Si Jeremy at si Vance. Seafood ka agad, do? Ayan, panalo. At ano to, may japchae. Ayan, so kakain na ako. At see you sa aking food tasting naman. Ang ating next session naman here sa Marcelino Street Cafe. Okay, let's do a quick review ng mga food na kinain ko kanina, no? So, I tasted their pancit. It's okay. Hindi siya ganun kaalat. For me, hindi siya ganun kalasa, but it's up to you to adjust your flavor. Just order a soy sauce, for example. Kasi delikado sa pancit, pagka napaalat ka, hindi siya masarap. Pero okay naman siya, well-balanced naman siya. Kahit hindi siya ganun sa malasang pancit na amoy lasang Chinese or palang Filipino style na pancit. O na bahala mag-add ng flavor. I also tried their pineapple fried rice, which is also good. And what else ba yung mga tinikman ko? I tried their braised beef. It's also good. Hindi siya masyadong maalat. Hindi siya ganun ka-oily. At yung sweetness niya, is tama lang. I tried their chicken with honey lemon. Super sarap. It's one of my favorite actually. And shrimp with sweet and chili, which is also good. And also one of my favorite here, yung kimchi soup nila. Napakasarap ang kimchi soup nila. At yun talaga sa mga nagustuhan ko dito. And also their japchae is also good. I also tried their nasi goreng. Okay din siya. Masarap din siya. So I guess that's it for now. I'll go to try their yung kanilang roast beef na para solid tayo matapos. I want to try their Indian din pagkatapos. Alright? Kain tayo ulit. Kuha tayo ng plate. Yan, isang roast beef slice nga, sir. Yon, thank you. Tignan lang ng sauce to. Ito yung pang kasamgyup nila. Alright. Ayan. Tikman natin to. Okay, it's time for me to get some desserts. So, ano mga kainin natin? I like the mango sago. Kuha tayong mango sago. Masarap to. Ayan, ito yung ating dessert for today. Kain tayo. Alright guys, that's the end of our food vlog for today. Dito ngayon sa swimming pool area ng Manila Prince Hotel. As yun yung nakita yung view yan. Yan yung Marcelino Street Cafe. Sabi ko, the food is good. Napakamura, 895 yung kanilang buffet from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. yung kanilang dinner. Check out their Facebook, Marcelino Cafe yung Facebook, at Manila Prince Hotel Facebook page. So yun, so sana gusto nyo aking food tour at food feature ngayon. So visit this restaurant at enjoy yung kanilang murang buffet rate nila. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video vlog adventure. Kita-kits, kain tayo ulit sa next food destination natin. Alright!